Hi, this is a Python programming lecture. Today we shall use all those programming concepts and topics explained in previous videos. A is a calculator that will take two values from you and perform small calculation. A is a class calculator that has different methods in it. Init method is called when instance of the class is created. After that, we have created a method operation that will send the program into the respective methods: add, subtract, multiply, and division. And in these methods, add, subtract, multiply, division, the values will be calculated. After that, we have created an instance of the class object of the class. In this, we have passed three arguments: v1, v2, and operator. v1 and v2 are both values taken from user and are passed into float data type, so that answer can be printed in decimal value. And after that, operator is also taken from user to calculate those values. Let's see the calculator. Let's run it. The first value we shall divide 1000, second value 500 and divide them. Answer is 2. Let's run it again. First value is 5, second value is 5, and we will multiply them. Answer is 25. Let's run it again. First value is 20 and second value is also 20, and we will add them. Answer is 40. Hope you like it. Thank you.